Oh, fuck. Oh, favorites back. Oh. Good morning, guys. This is my 5 weeks after my liposuction update. 5 weeks ba? Wait lang, check ko. 5 weeks, exactly 5 weeks and 4 days. I got my armpit, arms, and entire back lipo. So, muna siyang itsura if you're just wondering. And if you want to get it done in the future and nagduha-duha pa mo, so get it done. So I'm so happy with the result. Let me show you the scars that I got from the surgery. Actually, dili kayo siya like dako nga scars. Gamay ra siya tungod sa katong cannula thingy na ilang gi-use para sa pag-suction sa fat. Here pa, that one. Like, oh, it's like, where siya usa ka grain sa rice. That one. Can you see it? Whenever, it's so embarrassed to share it with you, but whenever I get fat, ang akong build sa lawas is yung upper body, yung what do you call that? Yung magmamalaki. What do you call that? Yung upper body, yung lumalaki. I want to take this off para to show you better. Ta-da! Now I took off my compression garment. This is what it looks like. Wa ko nagpa-boob job guys ha. Normal na siya. Inborn, built-in. O gamay na ba ko guys? Oh my God! Oh, fuck. Oh, favorites back. Oh. Ikilig ko sa akong new arms guys. So, ano siya? I don't know if you take a look at it in person, it's slimmer than what it is right now in the camera. Manong murag tambok dito tanawang sa camera, no? Like, oh my God! Sa mirror, like, it's slim yun. Can you see it? Like, it's slim yun. That one. Ooh! No, guys, oh my God! Oh my God, oh my God! Before guys, this is bulgy like this and that one. The armpit na ba? Armpit. This is my armpit. So this is one of the scars that I got from the surgery. That one. Here as well. Yeah, and that scar. Like that one, this one, that one. And you can see it now. So somewhere here. Yeah. Can you see it? Those are scars. Okay, so oh my God, look at my armpit. My armpit was also bulgy before, like this, and then choop. Now it's, oh my God, lubong na siya. It's caved in. Lubong na siya. Meron akong kanang sa Shopee nga model sa Shein nga, like lubong jud. Like lubong jud siya guys. Oh, may isa ko guys ha. And if I put my arms down, look. Ooh, before it was like like bubbles of fat. Yeah. So, piyaw words ba? Ako ang kong tutoy daan guys. Diba sa akong mother. So, dakong tutoy, dakong arms, dakong diri, dakong upper body. So now, kumain akong sa piyaw words ba? Philippines! More to guys ay kay someone's taking me shopping later about so mag-shop ko new dress para sa kong new body. Ayos!